And then, dinosaur pose po. Dinosaur pose.
Totoo ba? Habulin ba tayo?
Sana
Kinabahan ako
meron
ah.
yung nagwo-walk na ano. Di ba meron ganyan?
Sigurado ka? Hindi ka ba habulin ng dinosaur?
Hindi no, narinig mo?
Si Cassie, kamusta?
Marami totoo yun!
Okay, let's go guys!
I'm gonna tabi kay mami ko.
Ako sa video. Lagi na lang. Ala! Gumagalaw siya. Hello! Bigla yan gugulatin ka.
Dinosaurs aren't real.
Oh, they're real pero they're extinct.
What is extinct?
Wala na sila.
Yeah, they're
Kinakabahan na ako, baka may manggulat sa akin.
Naka-costume.
Uy, may trauma ako ng ganun sa Jurassic Park, ha?
Jurassic Park?
Yung ano, parang field trip yun eh.
Alam mo yun, kasi yung nangahabol na dinosaur.
Oo.
Diba?
Yun nga yun.
Yun nga yun, hinabol tayo.
Oo.
Sa Star City yun eh.
Star City, oh, see? Trauma ako doon, oh.
Hinabol tayo, tapos kailangan natin pumasok ng elevator.
Oo. Tapos ano,
Lahat kami nandoon.
yung may drama pa na hindi ma-open yung door or elevator.
Naipit ako sa elevator. Naipit ako. Kailangan ako hatakin papasok. Parang ano, parang movie.
Ano yung picture tayo dito? Bakit eh? Sensor? So doon tayo magugulat, Ganda yun ah. Ah,
May sensor siya. Nung dumaan tayo dito, biglang...
Speaker niya.
ayun nakatago.
Speaker niya mukhang bato.
Are you scared? Ako I'm scared. Ikaw, are you scared? Okay, wala siyang pakialam.
Ano, pwede pumasok dito?
Pwede. Teo Rafa, ikaw manakot.
Init eh.
Rar! Ay, kawawa naman oh.
It's an elephant. Oh, it's a
dead.
dinosaur.
Rafa, did you kill it?
Oh, it's a dinosaur.
Grooming time. Grooming time.
Root lizard daw.
Hey,
It's so tall. Hello?
someday, when you need a job, you wanna be security guard here.
Bigat pa.
Minum ka ba? Harap eh.
Hi!
You have to avoid the 10,000 gold.
Hello. Oh, what's that?
Oh my god.
What's that?
Giant mushroom and giant egg.
Mushroom?
Ayan, mushroom.
Oo, ano?
Yung egg na that's
So for scale, maliit lang siya. Mushroom.
Yung panahon kasi na yung malalaki din yung mga halaman.
Back then, during that era, ano pa,
Kwento mo.
dinosaurs are older than trees. So back during the dinosaurs, wala pang trees.
Halaman tree.
Ang nagpo-fold ng may canopy would be mushrooms.
Oh, dahil kinain nila.
Yun ang nila.
Yung dinosaur. Sino takot ano?
Hey, Kuya Alan, look.
Hindi naman may food.
There's what? Pop tooth?
Pawis niya.
There's a wire.
Wires will be eaten.
No trespassing.
No trespassing. Velociraptors will be eaten.
Tingnan ko. Dapa.
Ah! Oh, try it.
Dumi ang pen kamay.
Wait, get a picture, Cassie. Excuse me.
Hello, Kasi!
Cassie!
Hala, tinitignan, no?
Grabe tingin ni Kasi.
Oo, nakatingin nga.
Naka muna ba nila pa namin? Here, Daddy!
Hello.
Pumunta kami dun sa egg. May dinosaur sa egg.
Ayan,
Bear!
Beware, beware.
Are you scared, Rafa? Ikaw dito.
A little bit, but I already see it.
T-Rex encounter.
T-Rex and...
And when you step on it, it falls back to the dinosaur fall right in front of you.
Oh my goodness! Are you scared? May magugulat sa'yo dyan.
That's sign.
Yung sign.
Sign.
Look at the sign.
Oh my gosh! Oh no!
Be careful! Oh my gosh! Oh! Nagulat ka din, ano? Nagulat ka, ano? Ikaw, hindi ka nagulat? Pit! Ala, lapit niya!
1, 2, 3, run.
Rafa, ano? Okay lang?
With daddy. How about with daddy?
No, you and Kuya Alan only.
No.
Why?
Okay mo ng dalawa. Susunod ako.
Oh. Bilisan mo, baka mabusog na yung dinosaur. Baka mabusog na. Pakainin niyo na.
Sasalahin mo? Hindi ko alam. Papakain doon namin ba this, ano rin papakain? Ourselves.
Siyang sabi.
French fries. Sino
Pakainin niyo daw nung ano, yung baby raptor. Yan. Ano?
Uy, be careful ah.
Ha?
Open your mouth.
Yun! Okay. Kunyari lang.
No, we're just kidding.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, smile!
Ikaw kunwari.
Bigat yan.
Mabigat yan kaya, mabigat yan.
Sacrifice!
Bigat yan.
Be careful Kuya Alan, baka you get... Baka... Yan. Ayan, o di kakainin na niya. Talagang tinuto.
Tinuto eh.
Bakit? O kunin mo. Nawa.
Lukod din tayo.
Ayan. Di natakot. Ha? Iba nga sabagay, dinosaur kasi sa lahat eh, no? Pero ang galing kung parang humihinga din siya eh, no?
Super ano siya. Mas marami siyang controls compared sa yung
Oo,
T-Rex.
ganda rin eh.
Yung iba kasi bibig lang yung gumagano.
Oo, parang humihinga yung
Yung
kamay din, oo nga.
Oh,
Ay wow, solo siya oh. Oh, 1, 2, 3, smile. Sige. Panira lang yung bote mo. Kanina ka mamay dalang bote.
Bote.
May buko juice ka.
Kanina pa siya
Okay.
Okay. Uy.
Ako'y kinakabahan eh. Hindi yun, airport yata yun.
Helicopter at airplane ata yun.
The baby's falling over.
Ala, yung baby mo. Kasi kasuhin mo na.
Why don't they have...
Are you scared? Are you scared?
I think the black paint just wore off from the
What black paint?
in their eyes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, ano?
Just like a...
Sige. Ah! Kasi, delikado dyan. Maraming ano. Kasi. Ano bang meron sa likod mo? Wala. Miyak na si Kasi.
He's moving his arm and his tail.
Ala!
About
Sabi ko kay Kasi, dinosaur anak.
Roar! Pakain ka namin doon, Kasi, you want?
Alam niyo ano?
Bye-bye, Kasi!
6 months in the back.
Bye-bye! Ah! Ala! Ala! Ayan na, ayan na! Oh! Ah! Yung higapan ni Kasi parang okay. Oh, take me na. Okay.
Yes, what do you think about it?
Sabi ko kay Kasi, dinosaur anak.
He's like, he's nodding.
Magagalit yan sa'yo, kakainin ka niyan.
Someone's taking a photo.
Naantok na. O, kita ko yun, ha? Nakita ko yun.
Not seeing it.
What's that?
Tyrannosaurus, I think.
How do you know it's a mommy? What's a daddy?
A daddy and baby, Triceratops.
Dinosaurs? If it's the dad.
Sa Land Before Time, ang pangalan niya Sarah, di ba?
Hala, lumalapit daw.
Umano.
Lumalapit daw kay sa baby niya. Di ba ganun yun? Oh, sorry. Parang para-parehas yung roar ng mga dinosaurs.
Punta malapit na malapit.
Ah! Saan? OMG. Will. Oo nga, no. Go inside. I'm gonna picture you. Ah! Hala. This is my car.
My car.
Nag-exercise siya eh. Neck exercises. Kasi, tingnan mo, kasi. Grabe yung tingin eh. Grabe yung tingin niya eh.
Bago yan ah. It's a prison tower. A Tesla tower.
Rafa, are you scared? So pawis you're so you're so pawis na. What happened? Kasi! Kasi... Sensor, Rafa. Daddy, si Rafa mahawak sa bolts. Yeah. okay? Ew! Raf, mabasa ka! Lapit ka nga. Doon sa gitna.
Are you brave enough to cross that bridge?
Yan na. Si Rafa. Si Rafa tumakbo. It's like wiwi. Ala. Bye. Wow. Look amazed. Galing nga, nag-blink eh. Don't be scared, girl. Baka dinosaur. Excited? Are you scared? Okay. Are you scared now? No? No.
I'm just not good. I'm not scared.
Roar!
Stop doing that ule.
Okay po.
I can see your feet.
Tamaan. Ay!
I'm scared.
You're scared? Sabi mo hindi ka scared. Oh, scared ka ba? Scared ka pa rin ba?
Isa yung may choker.
Ito, grabe. Ito nag-lipsync lang eh.
Masayaw lang.
Hala! Hala!
Kanina pa to.
Si Kuya Alan, binabite nyo. Ayan, sa'yo na. Tao siya to. Oh, ayan na. Daddy, paano? Okay, and then? You're gonna report it.
1.
Okay, come on.
Hello?
Yes po.
The dinosaur is missing.
Okay, you're gonna report it.
Island.
Oh my goodness. You know where they go? They bite Rafa. Yes, okay. I know where's the missing dinosaur. It's there, Rafa. Look up. Ah! Close the door, dali. Baka pumasok sa'yo. Bye!
my gosh. Maybe it's gonna move.
Ah! La! Rafa, punta ka dun sa gitna. Oh, kay Alan. Hindi ko na videoan. Parang si Alan. O, punta kayo doon. If you're matapang, punta kayo doon na harap. Gumagalaw talaga. Hello, Rafa. Praying mantis ba yan? Ano? Walking, ano yun?
Stick bug.
Ano yung stick bug?
that looks like a stick.
Does it sting?
Hindi. Gumagalaw yung ganun. Yan, it looks like a stick kapag in real life. Malit lang yan, ganyan lang kalaki. Ayan, no?
Oh! Yun ang sound.
Pero pag nakasampay siya sa puno, it's hard to find. Kasi siya it looks like a stick.
How long
Parang
is
branch.
how long is this place?
This place, I don't know, maybe an hour.
Oh my gosh, you know how long the stick bug is?
Rafa, here's your favorite insect. Here's your favorite insect.
Punta ka dun.
Ew! Parang I can tolerate one large ipis na ganyan kalaki kaysa yung Joe's apartment type na millions of ipis.
Paano kung this size, tas millions of it?
No. Rafa, punta ka dun.
Yung size ng mga bugs.
Not really.
Punta ka dun, Daddy.
I'm scared. You know I'm scared of
Those are arthropods.
It's a peke naman eh.
knock knock. Who's there?
Baka matamaan kayo ng stick.
Knock on it.
Ang laking ipis niya na. Pakain mo na si Cassie. Ay, tulog si Cassie. Hi, Cassie, there's ipis. Moving. Yung antena. Hi! Paano? Ah! Yuck!
Hindi, ito yun.
My nose hates
Balikot lang siya.
Oh, really? Pero, Rafa, pag yan pumunta sa food mo, pit-pit na yung food mo. Kasi ang laki ng langaw. Paano mo papatay ng fly swatter yan? Paano mo siya papatayin?
Shotgun.
Shot. Baril.
Actual insects over there. Actual insects over there.
Where? Rafa, come here. Look. What's that? Real insects.
Real?
Oh my gosh, he's an ipis.
Akala ko preserved.
Ipis.
Ah, totoo to.
Ipis.
Rafa, oh.
Ipis.
Madagascar hissing cockroach. They don't fly. They don't fly, baby.
Yes po.
But they will crawl.
They don't move.
But I still don't want. Yee. Hindi lumilipad yan.
Wala silang wings.
Pero there's still cockroach.
Can all cockroaches fly?
No, not these ones.
Kuya Alan, can you touch it?
The local. The local.
Do you want to touch it? I'll give you a big toy if you touch it.
All local cockroaches.
No.
Daw ni Cassie.
Iyak.
Sige.
No, please.
Sakto lang. Ako hindi, wala ka lakas ng makikita sa akin.
Ano kinakain nila?
Kinakain lang po nila is mga plants po.
Mga tao.
Plants lang po kinakain nila. Or banana. Kasi mas need po nila ng
Pero nangangagat sila.
Hindi po. Wala po silang sting. Super worm is like, po. Sila po yung mga larva ng mga beetles.
Larva ng bida.
There you go.
Yes po. Ayan po. Nasa ilalim lang sila.
Here, right there.
Oh. Hi. Get them out. I want to see one.
If you were paying attention, you would have seen it already.
I already saw it.
Hindi ko nakikita na ano yung pero yung gumagalaw lang
Yes
yung ano
po.
parang
Bro
Is the super
up.
worm. So, super worm po is kinakain sila ng alive na ganyan po.
ng tao.
Yung Baguio in Ilocos. Tawag po sa kanya tan is chicha worm.
Chicha worm.
Yes, malutong po siya daw pag kinagat siya ng ganyan alive. Pero sabi po nila wala naman daw po yung lasa. crunchy lang daw po talaga yung shell.
What's that one? Are there...
Ito mga preserve. They are preserved insect.
Oh, they're already dead?
The preserved.
Yes.
Yun ang tawag.
Okay, can I go inside?
nice. Sa wood nakatira.
Oh my gosh,
Ano
no,
po,
there's
more on ano sila, rooting logs po.
Excuse me, I want to see.
Ma, sa Bulacan, Bulacan ganito, di ba?
no, because isn't the problem we have in China?
Yes po. 5 months po sila before.
Praying mantis.
5 months. Bulacan nagkakatagal na po sila. 13 week lang po.
Itong beetle? Ganitong beetle?
Hindi po, mas haba naman po yung body nila. Dark green beetle po ang tawag sa.
Ah. Oh, yan. Let's go! Hi, Cassie. Ba't nakahubad ka na?
Napakita niya yung opera niya.
Oo nga. Parang hindi ka kainin dito. Ha? Oh, may bali siya. Nabalian siya. Yung feet niya, oh.
One's broken.
I hate mosquitoes. Hi.
How?
Bugs crossing.
No.
Huh?
What's wrong with them? No. My enemy, everything.
You have to pick one.
You have to pick one, just the one. Which one would be the worst? Pick one. Come on. The worst one.
Yes. Ikaw, Rafa. Apis talaga. Hindi dinosaur.
Apis or dinosaur, which one would you rather? Which one is worse?
Everything.
Welcome to Insectlandia, a Bug's Life circus troupe. Sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
Wow!
Oh, I'm so sleepy. Oh, there's a lot of people in here. Hello, everyone. I'm Avalanche. I'm grateful for PR. I reborn my dreams of being a beautiful butterfly. You know what, guys? This is a dinosaur in my face. Oh, no! You're so sweet, my friend. But where is
Sabi.
Where is Anna? Here, man. Please welcome Hello everyone, I'm Felic. Those chronic beats.
O, tatawag ko. Sayaw ka din. O, sayaw. Ayaw ni Alex. Yay! Tawag ka ni Alex. Sama ka na. Galing. Woo! Uy, Alex. Lola Linda, sama ka na. Mamay. Pira pa.
Just open up your heart, the music take control. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body, the wind it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it. baby, rock it, so don't stop. Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo lo sabe y la calle está llena. Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo lo pide, la calle está llena. El cuerpo pide.
Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! Mwah!
For those
Are you scared, guys?
I don't know. I might need anything else.
Wow! Nasa loob ba tayo ng spider? Saray, saray! Ay! Sorry, Cassie. Cassie, manood ka kaya? Dating ba tayo nito? Hello? May patay!
Any loud noises?
Siguro, para magulat.
No.
Okay din pala ito eh. Ayan na.
Look here, that.
Left. Oh, Rafa. Ay! Ay! Si Cassie nakatingin din. Nakatingin din si Cassie. O yan, gugulatin ka dyan. Be ready. Ay, hindi. Wala. Malayo. Gagalaw ba to, Cassie? Gagalaw ba yan? Ha, Cassie? Tingin mo? It's not moving. Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na kasi, look. Ay! Ay! Parang alam niya kasi na ano eh. Ha? Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako. Yung my heart. Nagulat ka, Kuya Alan? It's done na. Nagulat ka kasi? Nagulat ka ba kasi? Ay, ito pa. Kasi kakainin ka. Kakainin ka ng dinosaur. Ayun, ayun o. Nag-dinosaur.
That's the scariest
Ano?
thing I ever seen.
Are you scared?
There's even one at the front, right there. Look at that.
There you go.
si Cassie.
Okay.